Is the board visible to you, children? Good morning. Good morning. Am I audible? Am I audible? Am I audible, children? Okay. Good morning. Mahaganadhipataye. Akanksha is there? Yeah, Akanksha, leave a message in the group. I already kept it. I already kept a message in the group. You also put a message that everyone should join immediately. Yeah. Fast, only 21 are joined. 20. Hamsini is there in the class or not? Yesterday also Hamsini is not there. Hamsini, Kavindra. Kavindra, he joined and immediately left. Yesterday, why you are not there, Hamsini? Yeah. Good morning. Let us start the class. Yesterday, sample paper 8 was sent to you, and we have discussed first 20 problems, the objective type problems. As I told you yesterday, that whenever you start writing the exam, start with section D, which is for 5 marks. 5 marks questions you need to start first. 5 marks, then 4 marks case-based questions, then 3 marks, 2 marks, and 1 mark questions at the end. Okay. So total 38 questions are there, and 3 hours. So 3 hours means 180 minutes. 180 minutes by 38. So on an average, each question that you can allot, how much time that you can allot for each question, right? 180 by 30, 180 by 38, how much? Can anyone do that? 180 by 31, how much it is? Sanjog Yadav is there in the class or not? Sanjog Yadav is not there in the class. 4.7. So, on an average, each question that you can take 5 minutes time. So, I am allowing you, you can bring analog watches tomorrow to the class. Analog, not digital. Analog watches. Wear analog watches and try to see that your answer should be completed for each and every question within 5 minutes. Okay, na? Within 5 minutes or 4 minutes. See, some questions will take more time and some questions will take less time. So on an average, you should manage to solve the problem within 4.5 minutes to 5 minutes. That is the time. Okay, na? So analog watches you can wear from tomorrow onwards for the exams. Analog, not digital ones. Okay, so that you can plan your time. See, if one question is taking much time, if it is taking more than 5 minutes, you feel that it takes more than 5 minutes, leave that one there itself and go ahead with the next question. Okay, na? But put the question number properly, correctly. So that is what you have to do. Okay, we'll go ahead with the questions now. First question for today. Yeah, section B, first question. If the sum of first m terms of AP is same as sum of n terms, show that sum of first m plus nth terms is 0. So what is given? Sm is equal to Sn. This is given. Sm is equal to Sn is given. And what we have to prove? Yes, m plus n is 0. Yes, m plus n is 0. First, we'll write what is Sm plus n. What is Sm plus n? Which is nothing but m plus n by 2 into 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 0. We need to prove this. Sm plus n is 0, we have to prove. Actually, what is Sm plus n? M plus n by 2 into 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 0. That is what we have to prove. Further, what is given? Sm is the same as Sn. Sm is the same as Sn. That is given. Okay, now what is Sm? M by 2 into 2a plus m minus 1 into d. This is Sn. What is Sn? n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is Sn. Okay, now if you simplify this 2 and 2 get cancelled on both sides. M is equal to 2a plus md minus d is equal to n into 2a plus nd minus d. Okay, now multiply this n with the terms inside the brackets. 2am plus m square d minus md, and here also same 2an plus n square d minus nd. Okay, so bring all these terms to this side. 2am minus 2an plus m square d minus n square d minus md plus nd is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Now, here if I take 2a common in these two, I will be remaining with m minus n. If I take 2a common, I will be remaining with m minus n. And here, if I take d common, m square minus n square. And here, if I take negative d common in these two terms, remaining is m minus n is equal to 0. Okay, children? Did you understand? You got it or not? Hello? Yeah. Till here, I think you understood it. Okay. Now, what I will do is, I divide all the three terms with m minus n on both sides. I am going to divide total expression with m minus n on both sides. With m minus n. So what is remaining? Here m minus n cancel, remaining is 2a, and here d times of m plus n, and here these two get cancelled, minus d is equal to 0. 0 by m minus n is 0. Now 2a plus, here I take d common, what is remaining? M plus n minus 1 is equal to 0. This is what the result we got. 2a plus d into m plus n minus 1 is 0. It is 0. Now, we have to prove that this is 0. Okay. We have to prove yes, m plus n is 0. What is Sm plus n? M plus n by 2 into 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d. Now, 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d, we got 0. I am substituting over here. M plus n by 2 into this is nothing but 0. This is nothing but 0 into 0. So m plus n by 2 into 0, 0. So Sm plus n is 0. Sm plus n is 0. Understand, children? You got it or not? You are aర్థమైందా? Yeah. If you want, you can take the screenshot of this one. Otherwise, I will move ahead for the next problem. Now, I'll go ahead with the next problem. Yeah. A circle is inscribed in a triangle ABC, touching AB, BC, AC at P, Q, R respectively. AB 10, AR 7, CR 5. Find the length of BC. Find the length of BC. Yeah. A circle, so there is a triangle. There is a triangle ABC. A circle is touching all the sides of triangle ABC. AB at P, BC at Q, AC at R. Okay. What else is given? AB 10, AR 7, AB 10 is total. This is 7 and CR 5. This is 5. And what we have to find? We have to find length of BC. We have to find length of BC. Okay. Can anyone say what is length of BC? Can anyone say what is length of BC, right? Any idea from your side? What is length of BC? Length of BC, I am getting answers as 8 centimeters. I am getting answers as 8 centimeters. Let us see. See here, we know AP and AR are equal. AP and AR are equal. AP, AR, they are equal. Tangents drawn from external point of a circle are equal. Since AR is 7, AP is also 7. AR 7, AP is also 7. Now, Given AB is 10, AB is equal to AR is equal to 7 centimeters. Given AB is 10 centimeter. Given AB is 10 centimeter. Then this will be 3 centimeters. Okay na? AR, AP and AR both are equal. So if this is 7, this is also 7. But it is given that this total is 10 centimeters. If this is 7, this will be 3. Now, BP and BQ are equal, tangents drawn from external point of a circle. BP, BQ, they are equal. So, this will be 3. In the same way, CR, CQ are equal. So, this will be 5. So, total BC is equal to BQ plus QC. So, 3 plus 5, 7 centimeters. 3 plus 5, 7 centimeters. So, the length of BC is 7 centimeters. 8 centimeters. Sorry. 8 centimeters. Easy problem. Okay na? Next one. Next question. Next question. Find the relation between x and y such that p of x comma y is equidistant between from a minus 5 comma 3, a minus 5 comma 3, b 7 comma 2, 7 comma 2, and p coordinates are x comma y. We need to find the relation between, we need to find out a relation, or we need to establish a relation. We need to establish a relation. What is the given condition? That point P is equidistant from A and B. That means PA is equal to PB. This is given. Equidistance means the distance of the point P from A, PA and PB are equal. Now, what is PA distance? If PA is equal to PB, then PA square is equal to PB square also we can take like that. If PA is equal to PB, then PA square is equal to PB square also. Okay na? Now what is PA square? X minus of minus 5 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. Okay, that is PA. Now PB, x minus 7 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. X minus 7 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. Now simplify this. This becomes x plus 5 whole square. X plus 5 whole square is nothing but a square plus 2ab plus b square. And here y square minus 6y plus 9. Apply a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square formulas over here. And here also x square minus 14x plus 49, y square minus 4y plus 4. Okay na? Now what you will do? You can cancel this x square, y square on both sides. So what you are remaining with? 10x minus 6y plus 34 is equal to there minus 14x minus 4y plus 53 minus 14x minus 4y plus 53. Okay, now simplify. 10x plus 14x minus 6y plus 4y is equal to 53 minus 34. 53 minus 34. This is 24x minus 2y is equal to it is 19. It is 19. So the relation is, or the equation that you can observe is, okay na? Understood children? What is 1 comma 5 by 2? Sanvi, equidistance. Midpoint కాదు Sanvi. బుర్ర వాడు చేస్తా. మళ్ళీ ఈ ఎగ్జామ్ కూడా పాడు చేస్తావు ఏంటి? Sanvi? Ratios 1 and equidistance. Equidistance, it is not mentioned that P lies on AB. Line segment AB, it is not mentioned. Sanvi, are you getting it or not? Sanvi, అర్థమవుతుందా? Equidistance. Equidistance means the distance between PA and PB are equal. It is not mentioned that P lies on line segment AB. It is not mentioned. Okay na? Moreover, the question it is asked to establish a relation. We need to find a relation between those 3 points. Next question. రైట్. అరే నాన్న, ఈ క్లాస్లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళందరూ లైక్ బటన్ క్లిక్ చేయండి, సో దట్ మోర్ పీపుల్ కెన్ సీ. అందరూ లైక్ బటన్ క్లిక్ చేయండి. సో 10th క్లాస్ రివిజన్ కదా, ఇట్ విల్ బి హెల్ప్ఫుల్ టు అదర్స్. ఓకే, క్లిక్ ఆన్ లైక్ బటన్ ఎవ్రీవన్. 32 are there, only 3 clicks. Next question. 24th question. Explain whether 3 into 12 into 101 plus 4. 3 into 12 into 101 plus 4. Prime number or a composite number? 3 into 12 into 101 into 101 plus 4. Explain whether it is a composite number or a prime number. You tell me, is it a composite number or a prime number? We can take common 4. Yes, we can take common 4. Because see here, 3 into this one we can write 3 into 4. This 12 we can write as 3 into 4 into 101 plus 4. So we can take 4 common. What is remaining? 3 into 3 into 101 plus 1. Okay. Now this is one factor and this is another factor. Other than 1 and itself, we are having 2 more factors. Every number is a factor to itself, and 1 is a factor of every number. Every number is factor to itself, and 1 is a factor of every number. Okay, and 2 more are here. 4 is a factor and this one is also another factor. So this number we are observing 4 factors. So it is a composite number. It is not a prime number. Okay children, it is not a prime number, it is a composite number. So how to write? The given number and 1, 4, 3 into 3 into 101 plus 1 are the factors of given number, so it is a composite number. Okay na? Next question. Why only 23 likes? What are the remaining one? There is our question over there, 2 marks question. Show that 5 root 6 is irrational. 2 marks question is. No need to prove that root 6 is irrational. Take it granted root 6 is irrational. No need to prove it. Root 6 is irrational. Okay. Let a by b. 5 root 6 is equal to a by b, where a and b are integers and b is not equal to 0. This must be there. Now, root 6 is equal to a by 5b. Root 6 is equal to a by 5b. We know root 6 is irrational. Okay, a by 5b is a rational number. Indically, the product of two rational numbers, is always rational number. Product of two rational numbers, always a rational number. Now, so therefore, root 6 is not equal to a by 5b. An irrational cannot be equal to a rational number. So, 5 root 6 is a rational number. 5 root 6 is a rational number. That's all. It's a 2 marks question. Don't waste the time. Don't waste the time. Okay, na? Right. Next. Is 184 a term of sequence 3, 7, 11, so on? Is 184 is a term of is 184 is a term of this sequence or not? We need to prove. Okay. Sir, common factor only 1. Common factor is only 1. For which area? First do this question, I will come back to you to that. Is 184 is a term of 3, 7, 11, so on. What we have to do? How to start this? How to start this question then? Yeah, 1, see I told you now, 1 is a factor of every number. 1 is a factor of every number. And number itself is a factor. And other than those two, we are getting 2 more factors. So it is a composite number. Yeah. We need to observe 184. We need to observe 184 is a term of this AB or not. For that one, what we have to do? Let us assume AN is 184. Let us assume AN is 184. Okay. We know A is 3, D is 4. If we get n value here, which is a natural number. If we get n here, which is a natural number, then it is a term of this AP. Otherwise, it is not. Natural number means, I think everyone knows, it starts from 1 and there is no ending for that. So, if n is a natural number, then 184 is a term of this AP. Otherwise, it is not. Okay? Now, what is AN? A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 184. Substitute the values. 3 plus n minus 1 into d 4 is 184. Then n minus 1 times 4 is 181 because ఈ 3 అటు వెళ్ళి 181 అవుతుంది. Now n minus 1 is equal to 181 by 4. What is 181 by 4? Oh, తేజ మల్లిపెద్ది చెప్పేశాడు టక్కన. It is not a term of that AP. Yes. Is it a term of that AP? Children? No. It is not a term because we are not getting n as a natural number. We are getting decimals, n in decimals. We are getting n in decimals. So 184 is not a term of the given AP. Okay. Next question. Next question. Our question. Ninth term of AP is minus 32. Ninth term of AP is minus 32. And sum of 11th and 13th terms, A11 plus A13 is negative 94. Find the common difference of AP. We need to find out D. Do it fast, children. Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer quickly. A9 is given negative 32. A11 plus A13 is given negative 94. What is N? Fast. Do it and tell me the answer. D negative 5 వచ్చింది ఆల్రెడీ ఈశాన్ గడికి. ఈశాన్ గాడ్ ఆల్రెడీ negative 5. ఈశాన్, శాన్వి, నేహాదేవి, మేఘన, అరే ఓన్లీ 27 లైక్స్ వచ్చినాయి, ఇంకా రావాలి. ఎవరో లైక్ చేయలేదు, టక్కని చేయాలి. లైక్ చేస్తే షేర్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది కదా, మంచిది కదా. అప్పుడు ఎవ్రీవన్ షుడ్ దే లిజన్. అరే ఫర్ హోల్ 2 classes 72 members ఓన్లీ 34 ఆర్ జాయిన్డ్. క్లాసులు చెప్తున్నా జాయిన్ అవ్వడం ఏంటంటే నాన్న, వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ రా నాన్న, ఇట్ ఈస్ టూ బ్యాడ్. We are asking you to join. We are ready to take the classes. If you are not joining, what is the meaning of that one, right? Even I put a message to your parents also. Negative 5, right? I think no need to explain this one because everyone got negative 5. Everyone got negative 5. Very good. Next one. Next question. Section C లోకి వెళ్తున్నాం. Section C. 26th question. Solve graphically అన్నాడు. Solve graphically, but here we don't have graph na. Do find the common solution either by elimination method or substitution method, right? Before that, what we have to do? 2x minus 3y plus 13. 2x minus 3y plus 13 is equal to 0 is one equation. 3x minus 2y plus 12 is another equation. We need to find out the common solution graphically. But ఇప్పుడు గ్రాఫ్ అవైలబిలిటీ లేదు కాబట్టి can we solve it by using elimination method or substitution method? Before that, we need to verify whether it is having common solution or not. Is it having common solution, children? Is this pair is having common solution or not? Yes. Because A1 by A2 is 2 by 3, B1 by B2 is 3 by 2. So they are not equal. So it is having a common solution. It is having a common solution. Find the common solution. Fast. Fast. Find the common solution, children. Apply either elimination method or substitution method. You can take like this, na? Minus 13, minus 12. Which one you want to eliminate? Which one you want to eliminate? Eliminate x, y, x or y? You want to eliminate y. Then what is LCM of negative 3 and negative? So multiply this one with 2, this one with 3. 4x minus 6y is equal to negative 26. 9x minus 6y is equal to negative 36. Both the numbers are having same sign. Subtract. These two get cancelled. Minus 5x is equal to 10. X is equal to negative 2. X is equal to negative 2. Then what is y? If x is negative 2, what is y? 2 into negative 2 minus 3y is equal to negative 13. Negative 3y is equal to negative 13 positive 4. Negative 3y is equal to negative 9. Y is equal to 3. So the common solution is negative 2 comma 3. Common solution negative 3 and negative 2 comma 3. Taking too much late, Sandy. Yeah. Negative 2 comma 3 is a common solution. Negative 2 comma 3 is the common solution. Next question. Yeah. Solve the following equation. 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 2 is equal to 3. X is not equal to 0 or 2. So you cannot take x 0 or x 2. That is what you have to understand. What happens if x is 0? What happens if x is 0 in this? If x is 0, what happens? The equation becomes undefined because 1 by 0 is undefined. Equation becomes undefined. Okay, na? Now do this. Try to solve this. You will get a quadratic equation. What is LCM? X into x minus 2. So here you will get x minus 2 minus x is equal to 3. So x and x get cancelled, negative 2 by x square minus 2x is 3. So if we do cross multiply, what we will get? 3x square minus 6x is equal to minus 2. 3x square minus 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. 3x square minus 6x plus 2 is equal to 0 is the quadratic equation that you got. Solve it and find its zeros fast. What is b square minus 4ac? 36 minus 24. Neha Devi, is b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 for this? Is b square minus 4ac is greater than 0? Yeah, 36 minus 12. Yeah, 36 minus 12. 24. 12. We got 12. 12 is nothing but 2 root 3. 12 is nothing but 2 root 3. So what are the solutions? What are the solutions, Nana? b square minus 4ac is g12. So minus b plus r minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a, 6. So 6 plus r minus 4 root 3 is equal to 2 root 3 by 6. Take 2 common. Take 2 common. 3 plus r minus root 3 by 6. 2 3s are. So x is equal to 3 plus root 3 by 3. 3 minus root 3 by 3. 3 plus root 3 by 3. 3 minus root 3 by 3. 1 plus root 8. Did you understand, children? B square minus 4ac value. B square minus 4ac. What is B square? Minus 6 square. 4ac. This is 36 minus 12, 24. 12. So root over 12 is nothing but 4 into 3, which is 2 root 3. So 6 plus r minus root 12. 6 plus r minus 2 root 12 is nothing but 2 root 3. We can take 2 common here. From this one and this one we can take 2 common. 3 plus r minus root 3, 3 times. 3 plus root 3 by 3, 3 minus root 3 by 3 are the zeros of the given quadratic equation. Understand, children? Okay, next question. If tangents PA, PB drawn from an external point P to the circle with center O are inclined to each other at an angle of 80 degrees, find POA. You only tell what is POA? PA and PB are the tangents. PA and PB are tangents drawn from an external point of a circle with center O. PAB. This angle is given 80 degrees and he is asking this angle. Children, fast. What is that angle? Angle POA. Angle POA. Fast. Teja Malipedi, he says it is 50 degrees. What I told about PO, right? What I told about PO? Everyone says 50 degrees. What I told about PO? PO is the bisector of angle between the tangents as well as angle between the radii. So if this total angle is 80, then this will be 40, this is 90, 90, 40, 130, then this will be 50 degrees. Okay, na? But you need to write that statement. PO is the bisector of angle between the tangents as well as angle between the radii. Next question. In the given figure, PO is equal to diameter of the circle with center O. PA and PB are the tangents. Prove that ABP is an equilateral triangle. ABP is an equilateral triangle. Same figure. Same figure, children. You need to prove APD is an equilateral triangle. PABO. This is given to R and this is R. We need to prove triangle ABP is an equilateral triangle. Is an equilateral triangle. How to do this? We need to prove triangle ABP is an equilateral triangle. OP is equal to the diameter of circle. Why many students are left? 7 students left. That means they are not interested in studies. If the parents are with you, they will know it. How you are behaving, in what way you are studying. That's why you are getting very less marks. అసలు చదువు దగ్గర కూర్చుంటే కదా మార్కులు రావడానికి. వాళ్ళేమో చాలా లక్షలు పోస్తున్నారు, మీకేమో శ్రద్ధ ఉండట్లేదు. Yeah, you can apply trigonometry over here. If we find this angle, suppose this is theta, then this is also theta. Okay, Then if you know these two, this total angle, then you know this angle and this angle also, because these two are equal. Tangents drawn from an external point of a circle are equal. Then if we are able to prove these three angles are equal and they are equal to 60 degrees, then automatically APB becomes an equilateral triangle. Okay na? Now what to do? Triangle BAO, I am taking this angle as theta. So with respect to this angle, this is opposite side and this is hypotenuse. That is sin theta. Side opposite to theta by hypotenuse. ఈ రెండు ఎందుకు తీసుకోవాలి? ఈ రెండు sides ఎందుకు తీసుకోవాలి? Why we have to take only those two? Because this is R we know, and PO is given as it is equal to diameter. PO is given as means its length is equal to diameter, that is given. That means these two sides we know, and we are going to find out this angle. So with respect to this angle, this is opposite side, this is hypotenuse. So sin theta, AO by PO. Sin theta, AO is R, PO 2R, which is 1 by 2. Sin theta 1 by 2, then theta must be 30 degrees. Theta must be 30. If this is 30, automatically this is also 30, then this total angle is 60. This total angle is 60, then this is x, this is also x. X plus 60 is 180. Angle sum property of triangle. So 2x plus 60 is 180. 2x 120, x 60. That means this is 60, this is 60. So automatically triangle APB is an equilateral triangle. It is an equilateral triangle. Understand children? Malli gurtu pettukondi. AO is radius. Given PO is equal to diameter, we need to find out this angle. So with respect to this angle, this is the opposite side and this is hypotenuse. So we need to apply sin theta. Okay na? Next question. చిన్నప్పుడు ఒకసారి చెప్పేవారు, గుర్రాన్ని చెరువు దాకా తీసుకెళ్ళగలం, నీళ్లు తాగించగలవా? గుర్రాన్ని చెరువు దాకా తీసుకెళ్ళగలం, నీళ్లు తాగించగలవా? అదే తాగాలి. అలాగే మిమ్మల్ని భయపెట్టో బతిమాలో ఏదో రకంగా క్లాస్కి రండిరా అని చెప్తున్నాను. అండ్ వాట్ యు ఆర్ డూయింగ్? Some of you are coming but not listening. Some of you are just attending and leaving the class. What I will do? What means? What I can do? I can say the solutions. That's all. But you need to listen. You need to understand. Right. 29th question. 29th. The angle of elevation of top of a building from the foot of a tower is 30 degrees. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఒక టవర్ ఉంది, ఓ బిల్డింగ్ ఉంది. There is a tower and a building. Okay. Now, the angle of elevation of top of a building from the foot of the tower is this one. This angle is 30 degrees. Okay. And the angle of elevation of top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60. And ikkada nunchi this one, this is 60. If the tower is 50 meters high, this is 50 meters high. Okay. Then find the height of the building. You need to find out this one. Do it fast, children. What is the height of the building? Fast. I am giving you 2 minutes time. What is the height of the building? I got one answer already. I got one answer. First consider the big triangle, big one. Find the base. From the big triangle, find the base. Apply tan 60. Apply tan 60. Tan 60 is equal to 50 by x. Find the base. Then use the small triangle to find height. That is the clue. Tan 60 is equal to 50 by x. So root 3 is 50 by x. X is equal to 50 by root 3. Fast. Venkatesh says 16.6. Tan 60. Tan 60. Let it be x. 50 by x. Root 3. 50 by x. X root 3. 50. X is 50 by root 3. Now, tan 30. Tan 30 h by x. Tan 30 h by x. What is tan 30? 1 by root 3 is h by x. Do cross multiply. X is equal to h root 3. What is x here? What we got x? 50 root 3. So 50 by root 3 is equal to h root 3. 50 is equal to h root 3 into root 3, which is 3h. Then h is equal to 50 by 3 meters. Height of the building is 50 by 3 meters. Okay, children. Only 30 are there. Next question. Next question. From a solid cylinder whose height is 15 centimeters and the diameter is 16 centimeters, a conical cavity of same height, same diameter is hollowed out. Find the total surface area of remaining solid. Give your answer in terms of pi. Give your answer in terms of pi. You need to give the answer in terms of pi, children. From a solid height 15, diameter 16, a conical cavity. Cylinder, diameter 16 meters, height 15. Okay, what was done? A conical cavity, same height and same diameter are hollowed out. Means this was taken out. Same diameter and same height, it is taken out. From a solid cylinder, a cone is taken out. A cone is taken out. Okay. Now, what is the surface area of remaining solid? Can anyone say? What is the surface area of remaining solid? (440 pi). Surface area, just in terms of formulas, curved surface area of cylinder, base area of cylinder, curved surface area of cone. Curved surface area of cylinder, base area of cylinder, curved surface area of cone. Many students are leaving, 26. From our class or from that class? Slant height is how much? 17, eh? Yeah, slant height is 17, right? Only L is equal to root over 15 square plus 8 square. Root over 289, 17. 2 pi into R, 8, H, 15 plus pi 8 square plus pi into 8 into 17. So how much this is? 120, 240 pi, and this one 64 pi. This one, what is 17 8 jar? 17 8 jar. 17 8s. 17 8 jar how much? 126 pi. 126 pi. So what is total? 200, 300, 404, 444, 240, 126, 64, 0. I think it is 430, eh? 430 pi or 440 pi, eh? Which is right? Ishan Abram says 440 pi, which is right? 440 pi or 430 pi? Eight 17 jar 135 है. अरे मुझे लैब है यार. 136, sorry. Right, 136. Not 135. It is 136. Yeah, 440 pi. Answer 440 pi. 440 pi. Next question. Next question. A solid right circular cone of height 60 centimeters, radius 30 centimeters, is dropped in a right circular cylinder full of water of 180 centimeters, of height 180 centimeters and radius 60 centimeters. Find the volume of water left in the cylinder in cubic meters. Use pi 22/7. What to do that? What we have to do? A cone of height, cylinder height 180, radius 60. Cylinder height 180, radius 60, 180 height. In this, a cone is dropped. A cone is dropped of height 60, radius 30. Height 60, radius 30. What is the volume of water that is left out? What is the volume of water that is left out? Do it, children. In a cylinder of radius 60, height 180 centimeters, a cone is dropped into it. Cone dimensions are given: height 60, radius 30. How much water left in the cylinder? How much water left in the cylinder? Archimedes principle, right? Archimedes principle. Fast. 1.98 meter cube. 1.98 meter cube is all the dimensions are given in meters. No, centimeters only, na? The volume of cylinder pi r square into h minus 1/3 pi r square into h. Okay. We can take pi as common. 60 into 60 into 180 minus 1/3 30 into 30 into 60. 10 times. So pi 3600 into 180 minus 300 into 60. 22/7 into 36. 18 are how much? 24 6 30 34 3 6 648 000 minus 18 000. 648 000 minus 18 000. 22/7 6 3 4 zeros. 9 times 9 4 zeros. 22 into 9 198 4 zeros centimeter cube. మీరు by 1000 చేశారనుకోండి, 1000 centimeter cube is 1 liter కదా. సో if by 1000 చేస్తే 1980 liters of water is remaining in the cylinder. 1980 liters of water is remaining in the cylinder. If you do it, divide with 1000. 25. I saw till now 31. 25. The paper is also not over. If the paper done, I'll leave you. If the paper is done, I'll leave you. 5 marks questions are also not done. You want break or children, you want break or can I continue? Or you want a break? Because the students, they are leaving. You want break? Just I want to complete this paper. Continue. Because few 5 marks questions is there, case base is there. We are discussing and solving, na? Why you are leaving? Next question. Yeah. An integer is chosen between 70 to 100. Between, right? Between. Between and you cannot consider 70 and 100 both. Between. Between 70 and 100. Don't consider 70 and don't consider 100. Find the probability that it is a prime number. Prime number. What are the prime numbers between 70 and 100? First, prime numbers between 70 and 100. Prime numbers between 70 and 100. What I am asking and what answer you are giving, Ishan? What are the prime numbers between 70 and 100? 71, 73, 83, 89, 97. Total 5 are there. 5 or 6? 71, 71, 73, 72 galu, 4 galu, 5 galu, 6 galu, 77 galu, 78 no, 79, 80 no, 81 no, 82 no, 83, 84 no, 5 no, 6 no, 87 no, 88 no, 89, 89 is there, 90 no, 91 no, 92 no, 93 no, 94 no, 95 no, 96 no, 97. Is 97 the prime number? Is 97 is a prime number, children? Yes. Now total how many are there? 6 are there. And total? Total? From 70 to 100, how much it is total? 31. 6 by 31, 6 by 31. First question answer. 29, between, Between. How can you say 29? (31) only. 29, An integer is chosen between 70 and 100. Between 70 and 100. Okay, 29 only then. The total is 29. 6 by 29. Sample space is 29. And divisible by 7. Divisible by 7. What are the numbers divisible by 7? This is 29. Divisible by 7 means 77, 84, 91, 98. So 4. 4 by 29. 4 by 29. Next question. Next question. Can you hear me? Am I audible, children? Hello? Okay. Next question. Polynomial x power 4 7x cube 7x square px cube exactly divisible by that question is out of syllabus question. Out of syllabus question. Don't consider that one. 30-second or question you see. 30-second or question. Alpha beta are the zeros of 3x square plus 2x plus 1. 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Alpha plus beta is minus 2 by 3. Alpha beta is 1 by 3. Okay. Find the polynomial whose zeros are 1 minus alpha. 1 minus alpha by 1 plus alpha, 1 minus beta by 1 plus beta. We need to find the polynomial whose zeros are this one. How to do it? Any clue, children? How to do this? There is a polynomial given 3x square plus 2x plus 1. From that alpha plus beta is minus 2 by 3, alpha beta is 1 by 3. Yes. First find alpha beta. So actually, we can split it in the middle term. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. Multiply చేస్తే 3 రావాలి, యాడ్ చేస్తే 2 రావాలి. Not possible, right? First find sum of zeros for this one. 1 plus alpha into 1 minus beta. Here 1 minus alpha into 1 minus beta plus 1 minus beta into 1 plus alpha. Simplify this. 1 minus beta minus alpha plus alpha beta plus 1 minus alpha plus alpha minus beta minus alpha beta by 1 minus beta plus alpha minus alpha beta. So what you will get here? Plus alpha beta, this is get cancelled. These two are get cancelled. What is remaining? 2 minus 2 beta by 1 plus alpha minus beta minus alpha beta. This is sum of 0, but we don't know alpha and beta, na? We don't know alpha and beta. 3 ones are 3. Even if we observe sum of zeros, we don't know beta, we are reality beta only. Oh, you get uprising, right? Yes. We did wrong over here. 1 minus alpha by 1 plus alpha. 1 minus beta by 1 plus beta. Sorry, 1 plus beta. 1 plus beta. Now do it. Sum of zeros and product of zeros. Then substitute alpha plus beta value, alpha beta value, children. Okay, what do you have to do? What you have to do? First multiply 1 minus alpha into 1 plus beta plus 1 minus beta into 1 plus alpha by 1 plus alpha into 1 plus beta. This is sum of zeros of the new polynomial. This is the sum of zero of new polynomial. And the product of zeros 1 minus alpha by 1 plus alpha into 1 minus beta by 1 plus beta. This is the product of zero of new polynomials. Then simplify the 1 plus beta minus alpha minus alpha beta plus 1 plus alpha minus beta minus alpha beta. Okay, by 1 plus alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. Now here we can cancel beta, we can cancel alpha. Okay, so we are left with 1 plus 1, 2 minus alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta by 1 plus alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. We know alpha plus beta is minus 2 by 3, alpha beta is 1 by 3. So in the place of alpha beta you substitute 1 by 3, in the place of alpha plus beta you substitute minus 2 by 3, simple. Then you will get sum of zeros. This is a 5 marks question, children. Sum of zeros. Then find out product of zeros. Product of zeros. What is product of zeros? 1 into 1, 1 minus beta plus alpha minus alpha plus alpha beta on the top. 1 minus beta minus alpha plus alpha beta. And here 1 plus alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. And anni we need to convert in terms of sum of zeros and product of zeros of this formula. So here on the top 1 minus of alpha plus beta plus alpha beta by 1 plus alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. This is the product of zeros. This is sum of zeros of new polynomial. After finding these values, substitute those values in this formula. Rather than saying this one as sum of zeros, and here you call it as product of zeros. Sum of zeros, product of zeros. Okay, na? Find this value, this is sum of zeros, and find this value, this is product of zeros, and substitute over here. You will get the polynomial. Okay, children? If you want, you can take the screenshot. Yeah. Next question. In the given figure, DEFG is a square. DEFG is a square. Angle BAC 90. Show that FG square is equal to BG into FC. BG into FC. I'll take out this one. If a problem like this, alpha betas, it will consume more time. It will consume more time. Okay. Next, there is a triangle ABC. There is a triangle ABC. Right angled at A. In the middle there is a square DEFG. DEFG. And what we have to prove? FG square is equal to BG into FC. See here, నిన్న ఎవరో అడిగారు, దీన్ని ఏదో డౌట్ అడిగారు, సార్ ఎట్లాగ మాకు ఏ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ కన్సిడర్ చేయాలో ఎట్లా తెలుస్తుంది, ఏ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ కన్సిడర్ చేయాలో ఎట్లా తెలుస్తుంది, నాట్ బీపీటీ, ఏ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ కన్సిడర్ చేయాలో ఎట్లా తెలుస్తుంది అంటే జనరల్గా ఈ రిక్వైర్డ్ ప్రూఫ్ చూడండి, ఎఫ్జి అంటే ఇది, దిస్ ఈజ్ ద సైడ్, బట్ దిస్ సైడ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు దిస్ అండ్ దిస్ సైడ్ ఈక్వల్ టు దిస్, వీ కెన్ సే దట్ బికాజ్ దిస్ ఇస్ స్క్వేర్. అంటే ఈ ఎఫ్జి స్క్వేర్ బదులు మనం ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ ఎఫ్జి స్క్వేర్ అంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఎఫ్జి ఇంటూ ఎఫ్జి is equal to bg into fc. But this fg, instead of this fg, what I take? We can take this side or this side, fe into dg is equal to bg into fc. Now observe fe, this one, dg, this one, bg, this one, fc, this one. Means if we are succeeded to prove these two triangles are similar, then the problem is done. That is what you have to understand. That is what we have to understand. These four sides, this is two sides. These four sides are the parts of these two triangles. They are the parts of these two triangles. Because FG is same as these two. Okay, na? So if we are success in proving these two triangles are similar, then the problem is done. Now you tell me, are these two triangles are similar? If they are similar, by what criteria? What are the parts that are equal? Fast children. It is square. This is a square. All sides are equal. We have to prove these two sides triangles are similar. These two triangles are similar. We need to prove that. How to do it? Fast. Dorika 50 bata. Right, I'll tell you. See here. This is 90. So these two triangles are right triangles. Keep that one in the mind. Now, I name this angle as 1 and this as 2 and this one as 3. Okay. Now, angle 1 plus angle 3 is 90. Angle 1 plus angle 3 is 90. Not only that, angle 1 plus angle 2 is also 90. This angle 90. So sum of these two is also 90. Now, from this what I can conclude, angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Now, in triangle BDG is similar to triangle DAE. Triangle BDG similar to triangle DEA. BDG similar to DEA. In the same way, I name this one as 4, 5, 6. Okay, 4, 5, 6. Now, by AA similarity, by AA, this one is AA. These two are similar by AA because 90 degrees and angle 3 is equal to angle 2. So these two triangles are similar by AA similarity. Next, angle 4 plus angle 6, 90. Angle 5 plus angle 4 is also 90. So from these two, what I can write? Angle 5 is equal to angle 6. And both are right triangles. So these two triangles are so similar. So triangle C E F is similar to triangle E D A. Okay, na? So these two triangles are similar. Are at the C. Alright. Now, from these two, we can say that these two triangles are similar. They are similar. DEA. అలా వచ్చిందా? CEF అలా తీసుకున్నాను. ఇక్కడ ఏం తీసుకున్నాను? BD. Okay. Now, from these two, what we can write? Triangle DDG is similar to triangle CEF. Now write the ratios. BD by CE is equal to DG by EF is equal to DG by CF. Now what we have to get? GF. Where is GF? No, what is it? DG into FC. సింబాలిక్ ఫామ్ తప్పు వచ్చిందా? సింబాలిక్ ఫామ్ తప్పు వచ్చిందా? ఈ రెండు ఒకే రకంగా రాస్తే బాగుంటుంది కదా. స్టక్ నుంచి వద్దాం. విల్ రైట్ లైక్ దిస్. ప్రాబ్లం ఉండదు. ట్రయాంగిల్ ADE. Triangle ADE similar to triangle ADE is GBD. Symbolic form. Next, ikkada triangle mali triangle ADE. Same triangle ADE. Triangle ADE similar to same triangle ADE similar to FEC. Okay, ADE. Yes. Now symbolic. Now from these two, what we can write? From this one and this one, what we can write? Triangle ADE similar to GBD, ADE similar to FEC. So triangle GBD is similar to triangle FEG. Now you write the ratios. DG by GB by FE is equal to BD by EG is equal to GD by FG. Okay. Now BG into FC. FEG రాసింది నా కొంత EC FEC and this is C. FEC, right? The confusion on there. Next, GB by FE is equal to BD by EC is equal to GD by FC. Okay, what is FC into BG? means the first one and the last one, GD by FC. Do cross multiply here. BG into FC is equal to GD into FE. Now GD, this one, FE, this one, both are equal to GF because this is a square. So BG into FC is equal to GD. Instead of GD, I will write FG, and instead of FE also I will write FG. So FG square is equal to BG into FC. ఇక్కడ సింపుల్ ఫార్మ్ జాగ్రత్త రాసుకోండి జాగ్రత్తగా. ADE ADE, it should be same. ADE is similar to GBD, ADE is similar to FEC. Then only GBD is similar to FEC. Then you can write the ratio. GD is nothing but FG because it is a square. FE is nothing but a FG. So FG into FG, FG square is equal to BG into FC. So that is the solution. First we need to prove these two triangles are similar. Then these two triangles are similar. If two this is similar to this is similar to this, then automatically these two are similar by the Euclid axioms. Okay na? Next question. Screenshot తీసుకోండి కావాలంటే. If you want you can take the screenshot, children. Now take the screenshot if you want, children. See, we need to prove triangle ADE is similar to GBD. ADE is similar to GBD first. Solution is given over here, GBD. And these two triangles are similar, these two triangles are similar. Automatically these two triangles are similar. They are similar automatically. Okay na? Now I'll end this session with these two questions, 34, 35. Only two questions left. Case study we'll see tomorrow, today night. Today night we have session. Case study we'll see there. Only two questions left. I'll end this session with those two questions. Next, sin theta plus cos theta is root 3. Then prove that tan theta plus cot theta is 1. Sin theta plus cos theta is root 3. We need to prove tan theta plus cot theta is 1. Now how to do it? How to do it fast? Sin theta plus cos theta is root 3. Okay. Square it on both sides. Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta is 3. 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 3 minus 1. How I wrote 3 minus 1, right? నేను చేసింది కరెక్టేనా? 3 minus 1 I wrote, is that right? Three minus 1 ఎందుకు వచ్చింది? Because this is 1. 1 at particular. So 2 sin theta cos theta is 2. Then sin theta cos theta is 1. Sin theta cos theta 1. Then what is theta? Can anyone say? Sin theta cos theta is 1. Then what is theta? Right? Okay, leave like that. Now take this one. Tan theta, I am writing it as sin theta by cos theta. Cot theta, cos theta by sin theta. Taking LCM. Sin theta cos theta. Here you will get sin square theta plus cos square theta. We know sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. And sin theta cos theta is 1. 1 by 1. 1. 5 marks question. 1 by 1 is 1. If you solve the first equation, we got sin theta cos theta is 1. Write tan theta as sin theta by cos theta and cos theta cot theta as cos theta by sin theta. Take LCM and simplify, you will get numerator 1 and denominator is also 1. So answer is 1. So tan theta plus cot theta is 1. Last question for today. R question you can do it by substituting the values. That R question you can do it. Last question. Yeah. 4 circles, 4 equal circles are described on the 4 corners of a square so that each touches 2 of the other. The shaded area enclosed between the circles is 24 by 7 centimeters. Find the radius of circle. అంటే ఇట్లా కనబడ 4 సర్కిల్స్ ఇలాగ ఇలాగ this is given as 24 by 7 centimeters. Okay, 4 equal circles and radius equal. Four circles are described at the 4 corners of a square. అంటే ఇలా this one. This is given. R radius. That is the idea. This one is given as 24 by 7. Okay, children. You need to find out radius of the circle. How to do it? Can anyone say? How to do it? Very good. Area of square, that is 4r square. 2r into 2r, 4r square. Area of square is area of square minus area of 4 quadrants. Area of 4 quadrants. That is 2r whole square minus 1/4 of 90/3 by r square. Kada? Pi r square is equal to 24 by 7. So this is 4r square minus 1/4 into 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 24 by 7. Okay, children. 4r square minus 1/4 into okay, correct. ఒక్క క్వాడ్రంట్ కాదు కదా, 4 quadrants. Correct. Very good. into 4. Into 4 correct. Into 4. అంటే 4 4 క్యాన్సిల్ సింపుల్గా 4r square minus 22 by 7 r square by 7 is equal to 24 by 7. We can take r square common. 4 minus 22 by 7 is equal to 24 by 7. 28. R square is equal to 28 minus 6 by 7 is equal to 24 by 7. 7 7 get cancelled. R square is equal to 24 by 6. 4 times. R square is 4. Radius is 2. Radius is 2. Yeah. Radius is 2. Very good question. So with this ఇంకా మళ్ళీ కేస్ బేస్డ్ ఉండిపోయినాయి ఇంకా కేస్ బేస్డ్ ఉండిపోయినాయి. విల్ సీ దాట్ వన్ ఇన్ టుడే ఈవినింగ్ at 7 o'clock. Not at 7 o'clock. At 7 o'clock. Okay. Thank you very much. Dhanyawad. Bye. Thank you.